Welcome to Beautyistic, the place where we dive deep into the products that are shaping the beauty world. Today, we're reviewing the 32-inch chocolate brown lace front wig made from 100% unprocessed 10A grade Brazilian virgin human hair. This lace front wig promises a natural, healthy look with features designed for versatility, comfort, and style. Let's break down the main features. The wig is crafted from 100% unprocessed Brazilian virgin human hair, offering a full 200% density for a voluminous, thick look. With a 13x6 HD lace frontal, this wig provides a deep parting space that supports a middle part or side part. The lace is transparent and breathable, designed to enhance comfort while looking natural against your skin tone. The cap is adjustable, fitting head sizes between 21.5 to 22.5 inches, and includes 4 combs, adjustable straps, and elastic bands for a secure fit. Plus, this wig comes pre-plucked with baby hairs around the hairline to create a realistic finish. Now, let's talk about how this wig performs in real-world use. I've had the chance to wear this wig for a few days, and it definitely lives up to its claims. The density of the hair is impressive. It's thick but not heavy, and the lace lays flat and blends seamlessly with my skin. The 13x6 parting space is a huge plus because it gives you so many styling options, whether you want to wear it straight, curled, or even pull it into a high ponytail or bun. I've tried both the middle and side part, and they both looked equally natural. It's also easy to style, whether you're using heat tools or simply letting it air dry. The wig stayed in place all day, and I didn't experience any shedding or tangling, which is a major win in my book. Is this review useful to you? If so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so that others looking for a new wig can find this review as well. On to the pros and cons. The pros include the high-quality Brazilian virgin human hair, which feels soft and natural, and the versatile styling options thanks to the deep parting space. The 200% density is great for those looking for volume without the wig feeling too bulky. The pre-plucked hairline and baby hairs are an excellent touch, giving you a natural look without much effort. The adjustable cap with combs ensures a secure fit, which is essential for all-day wear. As for the cons, one thing I would note is that the lace, while HD, might still need a bit of tinting or customization to perfectly match every skin tone. Some users might find the 13x6 lace a bit large if they prefer a more subtle, less dramatic hairline. Additionally, while the wig is versatile, it's important to note that any coloring or styling should be done with care, as over-processing can damage the hair quality, which can be a concern for some. When it comes to value for money, this wig offers a solid balance. It's priced at a premium due to its high-quality virgin human hair, but considering the density, styling options, and natural finish, it's a fair value if you're looking for a durable, versatile lace front wig that can be worn for various occasions. If you're comparing this to other lace front wigs on the market, there are cheaper options, but they might not match the same level of quality. The 13x6 lace and pre-plucked hairline are unique features that you don't often see at this price point. If you're looking for something more budget-friendly, there are wigs with synthetic fibers or lower density, but you'll sacrifice longevity and styling flexibility. As for build quality, the wig feels sturdy and well-made. The lace is soft and breathable, and the hair itself is smooth and shiny, with no noticeable thinning or weak spots. While I can't speak to its long-term durability just yet, the wig feels like it will last through multiple wears with proper care. In terms of customer support, I didn't have to reach out for any issues, but the brand is known for responsive customer service, so if any concerns arise, they're likely to be addressed promptly. Wrapping up, this chocolate brown lace front wig offers high-quality Brazilian virgin human hair, a secure fit, and plenty of styling flexibility. Its deep parting space, pre-plucked hairline, and thick density make it a standout option for anyone looking for a natural, voluminous wig. However, the lace might need a little customization for some skin tones, and overstyling could lead to wear and tear. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. If you're interested in getting this wig, check the link in the comments box below. If you already own it or have any thoughts, feel free to share them in the comments. Till next time, remember to keep your beauty looking as fabulous as your style. Beautyistic out.